Okay, so today we got a challenge thrown at us today for Cosmo. People wanted to know, can you sand veneer and veneer edge tape on the robot? So we got some samples here, some walnut veneer, and you can see typical edge tape stuff, you know, a little bit of overhang, a little bit of glue residue, not perfect, but we're gonna throw it on Cosmo and show you what happens. We're loaded up and ready to go. Remember, we can select as much or as little as we want to sand, but for this demo, let's sand everything. We'll sand around the perimeter, and then we'll sand the center, and then we'll sand the edges and see how it comes out. Sand around those edges to get any glue residue from the edge sander, and we'll switch to the square pad. Feels pretty good. That's the edge. No sand throughs. All the ends are cleaned up nicely. Congratulations, Cosmo. You can even hold this up to the light. See that there's no funny scratch patterns. And of course, it's so critical to remember, I mean, you can speed it up, you can slow it down, you can push harder, you can push less. It's all to taste, and it's all to, you know, the quality that you need with the products that you're using. So hopefully this was helpful. Thanks for testing us again.